Hi guys, good evening. Ayan ang aking dinner for tonight. Pansit canton, tinapay, at saka may palaman akong mayonnaise, at saka peanut butter. Ayan, meron pa akong vegetable salad. Ayan ang aking dinner for tonight. Wala munang rice ngayong gabi. Ayan. Yummy, yummy. It's time to eat.